Hello. This is Creating Cards with Sherry. I'm Sherry, and I'm so glad you have joined me today for my Tickled Tuesday video. Now, before you get all excited and say, it's not Tuesday, let me explain. I was expecting this box to come on Tuesday. It did not show up until Wednesday, and I had planned to do an unboxing. So that is why I'm a day behind. But anyway, I got all sorts of things here, and I wanted to do an unboxing because in September, the mini catalog is going to be available to you, and you can purchase any items in this catalog from September to December of this year. Once December's over with, this catalog and all its items no longer exist. So I purchased, as one of my perks as a demonstrator, I purchased a whole bunch of stuff from this catalog to show you just what kind of things you can get. And as a demonstrator, you always get it a month before it goes out to all your customers. And so I have the privilege of doing that. I placed a big order, and here we go. All right, I'm gonna move this around. Hopefully, this isn't so close that it's blurry for you or anything like that. All right, I have all sorts of gems. Now, I had some of these flat adhesive backed pearls before. That's actually in our annual catalog. I really like those. Those are some of my favorites. These are part of the mini catalog. This one is the adhesive backed glitter sequins. And this one is Faceted Gems Trio Pack. There's another color in here somewhere. I see the silver and the kind of a greenish blue, and then there's like a dark gray, it looks like. So I have those. Lots of things in here today. This is Christmas Classic Dies. So let's open it up and see what kind of dies we have. I don't have all of the bundles or suites. I did a picking and choosing of what I wanted this time. So, and I may end up buying more later. But the Christmas Classic dies. Ooh, look at that. It's like a nice little wreath, some leaves, and berries. Oh, and there's two more here. Some more leaves and berries. Very nice. Okay. So that's one. Oh, this one goes with my Crafting with You dies set. I'm going to run over and get the stamp set so you can see it all together. This is the stamp set, Crafting with You. It's just a fun stamp set, and it comes with its own dies. And look at that. You can cut out the painting tray. This is supposed to be a paper trimmer. There's scissors. Let's see, I'm not sure what all this is. This looks like it's a little flower pattern. A basket. Oh, that's one of those hoops, like if you embroider or crochet or cross stitch, one of those hoops there. So there's a lot of fun things that you can use with this as a bundle, and you can get the Crafting with You stamp set and dies as a bundle. So be sure and do that. You'll get a 10% discount if you get it as a bundle. All right, then these are some, this is an, oh, there must be more than one in there. This is an embossing folder. So this folder is all those stars. I'm going to open that up so I can show you. All right, isn't that cool? I really like that. So that'll be fun to emboss some paper with. We'll keep that in mind. And then this is Stars at Night dies. So these two things go together. Those are the one I just showed you was an embossing folder, and these are the die cuts that go with it. And some more stars. Pretty cool. All right. This is the Light the Sky dies. And this, I think, yep, goes with this. This is a bundle, if I remember correctly. Light the Sky stamps and Light the Sky dies, if I can get it out. The paper's not moving for me very well. There we go. And that reminds me of fireworks. And they put that together for a New Year celebration. And I'm sure you could use it for 4th of July as well. You just don't have a happy 4th stamp, but you do have all the fireworks. So that's why I got it, so I could use it for more than one event. This is the Stars at Night stamp set that goes with the Stars at Night embossing folder and the Stars at Night dies. I had ordered some ribbons. Let's see if I can find the name. This is Balmy Blue and White. It's a variegated ribbon. And this is the White Blank, it's called. It kind of shimmers. It's a white that kind of shimmers. It's real pretty. Black and Vanilla Checked is another one I got. And then I got some punches. This one actually came out of the annual catalog. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's not really scalloped, but it's all curly. Let's see, what do they call it? Decorative circle punch. So that's what I got to put sentiments on. And this is a topper, Sparkling Snowflakes Fade Topper Punch. So I'll be excited to use this. This is to make your Christmas tags and use that as your topper. I'm looking forward to using that and showing you what can be done there. Then I have a couple more stamp sets. This is the Sparkling Snowflakes. That goes with what I was just showing you. Snowflake topper comes with that, I believe. I thought there was something else, but I can't remember right now. And then Christmas classics for all the different sayings. Merry Christmas, wishes, holidays to you and yours, so on and so forth. All right, so those are stamp sets. I got another black memento ink pad because I thought I might need that. And then I also ordered some kits. We have some of our kits that are new. Now this one is one that's already been out called the Colorful Kaleidoscope Kit. You can only get that online. These kits you can only get online. And if you go to the menu bar on my shop and go to all view and then look under kits collection, you'll be able to find those. This one is our festive tags kit. So this is a Christmas kit that is available. So if you want a kit to make tags with, you can definitely do that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 5 different types of tags. So that will be fun to put together and show you as well. And then there was a brand new kit that was added to the collection this month. And this one is called Blossom Wishes Kit. And that has all of these, it looks like they're long, almost bookmark type of cards. A happy birthday and you matter cards. So that's another one of our kits that just came out, and in September another one will be coming out. And of course we have our paper pumpkin. September paper pumpkin can be ordered through September 10th. So if you want it, you need to get on it right away. I ordered also some DFP paper. This should go with all the snowflake stuff. And this is called Snowflake Magic. It's specialty designer series paper, 12 by 12. And we'll just pull this out a little ways so we can see the different sheets. And there's that one. It's a little more shimmery. And it looks like that's it. There's 2 designs and 2 sheets. Oh, maybe I missed one. Oh, here's a white one. 3 designs, 2 sheets of each. Okay, so we've got the teal and the white, and then the shimmery blue or teal, if you want to call it, as well. Let's see, what colors does it have? We should, all these papers are sticking together. It usually tells you what colors. Let me see if I can find it. I don't see it on this one right now. Oh, Lost Lagoon. That's what that is. It's Lost Lagoon. Lost Lagoon and the white. So that's what that paper is. Then we have Joyful 12 by 12 designer series paper. This will be a Christmas design. And let's see what we have in here. We have this green checked kind of paper. If I can get them apart. Looks like there's going to be 2 sheets of each one here. There's a gold, kind of a wooden pattern, a musical pattern in the cherry cobbler or red. We have berries. And it looks like that's it. So you have your berries and your music. And if I can get this apart, the wooden look and the check. That's what's in this Joyful 12 by 12 designer series paper. And cherry cobbler, shaded spruce are the main colors in those. And this one is the Joy of Christmas 12 by 12 designer series paper. This has cherry cobbler, old olive, pecan pie, pebbled path, real red, and shaded spruce. So I'm going to just slit this open here so we can open it up and take a look at it. Okay. Looks like there's going to be 2 sheets of each pattern. So we have this one. And we have, and the back side of that is the pebbled path. Then we have the shaded spruce checked in a brown, the pecan pie path, or not path, just the pecan pie, excuse me. And then these, and they have a gray music note back on the back side. Here's some shaded spruce and just a nice, interesting design with the real red. And then there's a real red checked with some more music notes in the pecan pie. And some more of these berries with the shaded spruce, that nice pattern that comes with those. So that's really nice. That's a nice set of designer series paper. So that's another set that you can get. Like I said, all of this that I have shown you is available in our mini catalog that is going to be available to you in September, the first part of September, I think after Labor Day. If you want a catalog, you can comment below on this video and just say, I want a catalog. If you want the PDF version, I want a catalog / PDF, or I want a catalog book. And I'll actually send you a book. You'll just have to make sure that you include your address and so forth. In fact, I can, yeah, just do that. You'll have to give me your information and we'll take care of it from there. All right. I can contact you personally and get that information from you. So there you go. If you want to purchase any of the items that we saw today, be sure to go to my shop at creatingcardswithsherry.stampinup.net and go ahead and put in the host code FZS7QX32 for any special rewards that might be coming out. All right. Well, thank you so much. Sorry, my screen's a little crooked there. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. It was fun just to look at all the different things that are in this catalog that you will be able to enjoy. So we have the DSP paper. Let's see. Trying to get this in order here. Christmas classics, sparkling snowflakes. Here's the snowflake topper. We have the Light the Sky stamps and die cuts. The Stars at Night stamp set, embossing folder, and the dies. And then the Christmas Classic dies. So you have everything there. Also, our gems. Oh, not that one. And I believe this was the only ribbon one that actually came from, I don't remember now. I have to look. But these were the 3 ribbons that I had that are available. If they're not available in this small catalog, they will be available in the annual catalog. All right. Thanks so much for joining me. You have a fantastic week, and I will see you Sunday at my Simple Sunday video. Bye now.